Hello, Otto here from London Car Alarm Company. Today we come out and do our second M3 for the day. So basically how it works is, this is slightly different to the one we done earlier. This has a gearbox lock, so someone grabs this key, jumps in, starts the vehicle up, they think they're awake, try and put it into gear, it just won't go into gear. So on here we've done something very basic just for video purposes. So tap, 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 there's our full beam flash. Put it into gear and drive away. Really simple and really straightforward. As soon as you turn it off, as soon as I open the door, if you're watching the bottom left hand corner where the M sign is, as soon as I open the door, the system becomes fully active. So if I try and start it again, try and put it into gear, it just won't allow me to put it into gear, okay? If I want to take it for a service, I want to place it in valet mode, the way I would do that is no foot on the brake, tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds to power up the main ignition. So 1, 2, 3, main ignition is on, insert our code and hold on the last press. So tap, 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 hold. There's our disarm flash. Keep holding for about 15 seconds and we get a 5 flash handshake. So just keep watching, keep watching, keep watching. There you go, there's our 5 flashes. If I now turn it off, open the door, you see it won't arm. We're able to start it up and place it into gear. Don't have to disclose the code. It's not speed or distance dependent, really straightforward, okay? When you get the vehicle back, tap the start button. Let's put it into park. Tap the start button 3 times in 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Insert the code and hold on the last press to take it out. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Hold. Notice it didn't give us a flash because it's in covert mode. Okay, so just keep on holding the last press button and we should get a handshake by the internal full beam. There you go. It's now jumped out of valet mode. As soon as I open the door, the system will arm. And if I start it up, you just can't put it into gear. Okay? Now finally, if you want to change the push sequence, this is very simple. So tap the start button 3 times within 7 seconds to power up the main ignition. Pass authorization by disarming it. So tap, 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 tap. There's our disarm. Then tap the accelerator to the floor 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's our double flash to say it's in learn mode. So I'm just going to go tap, 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 and then turn the start button off. And the code will be learnt. So let's just open the door and just test the new code. Start the vehicle up. Try the new code. Oh, sorry, let's just start from the beginning because you can't see it. So let's just open the door up. Start the vehicle up. Try the new code. There's our full beam flash. Select a gear and drive away. If you want to get one is fitted, give us a call 0289 060478, 0289 060478. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.